Hello, it's Miss Hake, and we're back with the letter B. B. What a wonderful sound. So many words start with the letter B. Can you start thinking of one right now in your brain? We're going to look at a poem that rhymes, that has a lot of B sounds in it. You're going to help me read it. Are you ready? Here we go. Bob's ball bounces tall, bouncing, bouncing down the hall. Oh my goodness. One more time. Bob's ball bounces tall, bouncing, bouncing down the hall. Amazing. Now I'm wondering if we can listen for which words have B's, the B sound in it. Say yes or no. Bob's. Yes, look, two B's, bob, beginning and middle. Ball. Yep. Bounces. Tall. Nope. Bouncing. Bouncing. Down. Nope. The. Nope. Hall. Nope. So you have a replication of this either on big chart paper or like this. You're going to call up your little learner to circle all the B's. If you just have a one-on-one student, then they can do it all. If not, you have a whole class, you can call up many children. Now we're going to listen for rhyming words. Bob's ball bounces tall, bouncing, bouncing down the hall. Did you hear rhyming words in there? Yeah, me too. Ball, tall, hall. Because they rhyme, sometimes it's easier to remember them when you say a poem. So I'm going to pause where these words are supposed to be, and you're going to shout them out. Are you ready? Bob's, bounces, bouncing, bouncing down the... Told you you'd remember them because they rhyme. That's amazing. Good for you. Now we're going to play a little listening game. We're going to see if the words that Miss Hake says has a B at the beginning. If it has it at the beginning, you're going to put your thumb up. If it has the B in the middle, you're going to turn your thumb sideways. And if it has a B at the end, you're going to put your thumb down. The end. Are you ready? Take a little listen. Bath. That's right, the beginning. Cabin. The middle, you got it. Cab. B's at the end. You're amazing. Ready? Web. The end, you got it. Pebble. The middle, yeah. Beg. Yeah, that was at the beginning. You're awesome. Ribbon. Ribbon. Middle. Rib. And you got it. Bill. Beginning. You're amazing. Okay, one more set of 3 words. Are we ready? Cob. Did you say the end? Amazing. Robin. Middle. You got it. And box. Beginning. You can play these over and over again and see if you can remember them. A list of these words is always found at the printout before the week starts so that you can do it over and over again and have good listening skills and listening for sounds. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to see if our hands can remember how to form uppercase B's and lowercase B's. So if you have a pencil, grab it. I'm going to have a highlighter or a yellow marker, and you'll have a dot-to-dot sheet already prepared. Here we go. B, b, b. When we trace, we're going to make the sound. Down, around, around, b. Down, around, around, b. Down, around, around, b. Let's see if our hand remembers. Down, around, around, b. Down, around, around, b. Down, you got it. Around, around, b. I love it. All right, time for lowercase b's now. Ba, 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 ba. Ready? Down and around, b. Down and around, b. Down and around, b. See if our hand remembers. Down and around, b. Down and around, b. Down and around, b. Sometimes I get my buzz mixed up with my does, but look, b has a belly, so the round part is always in front. B, belly. What can we turn our lowercase b's into? I was looking at this. We're going to be chatting about balls. So I'm wondering if we can make each of our belly on our B a different ball. What kind of ball do you know? I'm going to make mine a little more round to get my balls in. One type of ball that I love to play with, see if you can recognize this, is a baseball. And baseballs usually have some red stitching. Do you see that? Amazing. Another type of ball I love to play with is a beach ball. In beach balls, I'm going to start here and I'm going to make segments like so. Segments, almost like the spokes of a wheel. And I'm going to color in each of my segments a different color so it looks like a beach ball. Isn't that really cool? You can make a beach ball too if you want. Yeah. Come here, Mr. Green. And another type of ball that we have been really chatting about in our 2D shapes is a hexagon. And a hexagon is also found on a soccer ball. Amazing. So I'm going to try maybe just put some hexagons in here. They're really hard to do with little things. So if you even put dots on there, that's okay. Because sometimes putting hexagons, I'm just going to do that and I'm going to pretend. So look at that. Out of my little bees, my lowercase b's, I've got a baseball, a beach ball, and a soccer ball. I wonder what types of balls you're going to design your lowercase b's into. Bravo! That starts with B as well. So now you're going to watch a story, and it's all about balls and types of balls. And it's going to be amazing. So when you're done the story, maybe you can take your Play-Doh out and form balls. Or maybe you can get a huge, big, round thing to trace on a big piece of paper and design your own ball. And tell us, what's it used for? Does it bounce? Does it roll? Good job. Okay, so have so much fun designing your own balls either with clay or Play-Doh or drawing a huge circle on a piece of paper and decorating it. And then what would you use the ball for? Would you use it for a game? Would you use it for a beach? Would you use it to play catch? You need to decide. Then you can add your printing and describe it. All right, have a beautiful time. Bye-bye.